Hello friends, welcome to Shika's reasoning classes. Today's video I will discuss with you HPSSC Clerk previous year paper. For that I will discuss with you reasoning questions. So stay tuned with me for more upcoming video. Maybe tomorrow is HPAS examination. So I will discuss with you maths and reasoning questions with you. So stay tuned with me and please like, subscribe, and share my channel with your friends. Those who are preparing for different examinations, those who are prepared to go abroad, so you can share my channel. So without wasting time, let's discuss the question. Okay. So the first question is, which one of the following is different from the rest? Question is, which option they have given four option, we have to find which is the different, we have to find out the logic. What could be the this kind of questions basically asking state examination of, imagine whether it is any kind of paper. So on at least 4 to 5 question are asked, being asked from reasoning. So and one question is mandatory that they will ask you this type of question. So we have given four options. We have to find the logic. What logic has been in the three option is same. Your four options same, and which one is different? Okay. So first option they have given society, second is family, church, and fourth one is club. So we know in society we live people, okay, and in church there's lot of gathering, club is also there is a lot of gathering. But in families where group of people is lived, but own family, own relations member lives. But in society, society is lots of people. Church we also lots of people go to there. Club also we have lots of people going to there, okay. Lots of kids. So family is different from the other three one. There's a logic behind it here. So option is option B, family. So let's move to the next question. As class is related to background, in the same way cinema hall is related to which of the following? We have given four options. So same way we have to find the logic. Like in class there is a blackboard, you know. So what's in a cinema hall? Cinema hall, there is a screen. Okay. So its answer is because you will say there is chalk in the there is anything else in the classroom, but we have given main thing is blackboard. Okay. We have like a screen in the sorry, a screen in the class. Like blackboard is like a screen, like okay. In the same case cinema hall, something is in your front, that is screen. Okay. In screen we saw the film. Okay. Next question is, in a quote perfect is written as RGTHGEV. Okay. Then brown is written as, now we have to find what's the logic behind this one. Okay. If we see, there's a logic. Okay. What comes after P? They have given the code for perfect is something they have given. So we have to first find the code, what's the logic behind this one, and then on the basis of same concept, we have to find the code for brown. Okay. So perfect for P they have given R, for E G. Okay. R T. So what thing you have noticed, there is there's once one succeeding letter. Okay. One succeeding letter means after P there comes Q. What comes after Q is R. In the same case, is E. What comes after F, then comes G. Same for R is T. Is coming T. F for F is will be G H. So H will be the code for F. But I mean to say that this is the code for, this is the logic behind for this code. This question. Okay. So now we have to find the code for brown. Okay. BROWN. Okay. So if we have to find the code for brown, what comes after B? C. So we have to write down the next letter. B, C, D, R, S, T, O, P, Q, W, X, Y, N, O, P. Then we have anything like this one, D, T, Q, Y, P. Yeah, we have option D. So its answer is Option D. Now move to the next question. From 4 to 49, how many numbers which are divisible by 4 and sum of their digits be 9? They have asked the question. We have number from 4 to 49 and they are divisible by 49. And obviously that will be some number. Okay. If something is to be divided by 4, then it should be even number. Okay. Then how many are there which have sum of their digit is 9? So one thing is clear that it can't be single digit number. Okay, because multiple of 4 is 8, but how we can take 8, because sum of 8 is 8, is a single digit number. So let's write on the multiplication multiple of 4. Next is 12, 16, 20, 24. I hope it's visible to you. 44. We have to take from 4 to 49. So we can take 4 to 4. 8 is it's like we don't this is it's clearly visible to us. So 8 can't be. So I'm taking double digit number. Okay. So let's see how many number which have their sum of digit is 9. 213 is wrong. 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 0, 4 plus 2 6, 8 plus 2 10, 6 plus 3 9, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 8 12. So is 36 only. So answer could be 1, because we have only one number which is divisible by 4 and their sum of the digit is for 9. Okay, let me remove this one. I hope you understand this one. Now the next question is, A is brother of B. Like let me make a diagram. A is sister or A is brother. Let's say was plus 2 male. Sorry, I can't tell because they have not given the any. They have not. They didn't tell anything about B. They just had tell to us A is brother of B. We can be male. We can be female. So we can say anything. And C is sister of B. And C is sister of B. Okay. Now again, we don't know the uh, any information of B. Is it a male? Is it a female? Then they ask how is B related to A? So it can be brother. B can be brother of A. B can be brother or a sister of A. So there is not confirm about B. So we have to say that data inadequate. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Some trees. It is a statement based question. We call it syllogism. Okay. So in many people, it's in a bank exam, there are approximately 4 to 5 question in the preliminary from this type of question. But in state examination, they hardly ask 1 to 2 question. Was very important. Okay, because you know 1 or 2 marks, 1 and even is 0.5 marks is very important in the competitive examination. So it's a very easy question, and we have to go through it. Okay, some trees are pens. Let me draw a diagram. Some trees are pens. Okay, all pens are pencil. All pens are pencil. Now they have asked the conclusion. Some pencils are pen. Okay, if yes, they have all pens are pencil. Yes, because some pencil are pens. We have seen from here. We can see. Okay, so some pencils are pens. This conclusion is true. Next, let's go to the second conclusion. All trees are pens. No, because some trees. If this is like this one, then we can say all trees are pens. But it's like because only some portion of trees is pens. So this option is wrong. Okay, some trees are pencils. Some trees are pencils. Yes, let me remove this because I just show you. Okay, some because if this portion is also pencil, na, this is pen, this is pencils. So some trees are pencils. Okay, and some pencils are trees. Yes, definitely, because some trees are pencils, some pencils are trees. Okay, so we have option only 1, 3, and 4. So option B is correct. Okay, let's move to the next question. What comes in place of question mark in the series? They have given a series. We have to find what's in that of that place where question mark is given. Okay, we have given A3E D6H, and next we have to find here, and next is J12, and so easily we can find 3 6 there. Now this is a table of 3, so next number will be here 9, 3 6 9 and 12. Okay, we have given A. Okay, D. Okay, next could be C here. And now see the difference between A, B, C. Okay, left two letter and there is D. Now again left two letter E, F, G will be the first. Okay, H, I, J. Okay, because if it's G here, second here, and then I, G, H, I, J, that's why J is here. Okay, now let's find the last letter. See, if we go through here, A, B, C, D, then 3 letter left, there is E. Then D, E, F, G, then H, because there is gap of 3 letters. Then we have to see this one. We have to left 3 letter between G, H, I, J, and K. So here will be K. If there is any option, we have to write down. Okay, we don't have any option, so none of these. Let's move to the next question. In a certain code, just 1 minute. Okay, I think it's visible to you. In a certain code, break is written as ASDVG. It's also same question, coding question. How is solar written in that code language? This type of question hardly asked in bank examination, because in the bank, their standard has been increased, because there are a lot of difficult question. But they will ask you some coding question, but there's of different type. Okay, but in state exam, they will obviously ask you this type of question. In a certain code, break is written as ASDBJ. How is solar written in that language? We have to find the code. We have to find the logic. What's the logic for this one? If we see for B, they have given the code. B, one letter previous letter we have to write. Okay, then A, R, next letter. If for E, they have written previous letter, means for one letter is previous letter, we have to write the code in previous letter, and for next letter we have to write the succeeding letter. For A, B, for K is will be previous letter. Okay, I hope you understand this one. So we have to find for solar. If we have to find the code for solar, in same case, if there is for B, for B is first letter is a previous letter we have to write, then we have to follow the same rule. Okay, so for solar, as previous letter for previous letter for S is R, and then succeeding letter for O, P, and write on next the previous for L, I, J, K. We have to write down for A next letter A, B. We have to write R for R, P, Q. Okay, so let's find out. We have any option like this one, R, P, K, B. Yeah, we have option C. So correct answer is option C. Okay, I'm sorry. So let's move to the next question. In a row of Y's, Ramesh is six. I'm sorry. Ramesh is 16th from right and Sidhu is 13th from the left. Let me draw. Sidhu position is 13th and Ramesh is 16th. If the when they interchange their positions, Ramesh becomes 25th from right. Okay, so if they interchange, let's guess. If they interchange, if you say they interchange, then what will you do? If they interchange, obvious Ramesh is 13th and Sumit is 16th. Okay. And Ramesh become 20, but they said Ramesh, what they have given Ramesh is 25th from right. Okay, how many boys are in the row? Okay, in the row. Okay, so if they have given, so we have total number 21, 13 plus what's the actual position of that person is given, and what's without that their position can, if they interchange, their actual their position is 13, but they have given actual position is 25th. Okay, so we have to find that 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 1 3, 38, but we have to minus 1 37. So why I did this one, because because my one position is counting again and again, that's why we have to uh, minus 1. Okay, so answer is 37. Okay, so this is the last question, and it's the end of video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.